Welcome back, everyone. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. I hope
Good
everybody has
morning,
understood.
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. I hope everybody has understood this February Revolution very nicely.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
After this February Revolution, many other incidents also happened in Russia. Now, what all those incidents were there, we'll read after February in this topic. Clear? Okay. Now, army officials, landowners, and industrialists were influential in the provincial government. Now, provincial government was framed, as I already made you clear that after the abdication of Tsar, a provincial government was framed by whom? By the Soviet leaders and by Soviet leaders and by whom? This provincial government was formed. Who were responsible for making this provisional government? Hello. Here you are not seeing here Soviet leaders and Duma leaders formed the government. Provisional government. So this provisional government was formed by Soviet leaders and Duma leaders, and it was who influenced these जब सोवियत यूनियन और सोवियत leaders ने और Duma leaders ने बनाई, then naturally they will only have the influence on this provisional government. So army officials, landowners, and industrialists, all they were very much influential in the provisional government. But the liberal as well as socialist among them worked towards an elected government. Now the liberals and the socialists who were in favor to bring the elected government, they wanted for the elected government in the country. Now, restrictions on public meetings and associations was removed. Now, previously, before February, we have seen that, and in February also, the February Revolution also, many restrictions were there. Restrictions on the formation of any unions and all, and meetings were not held. So now those restrictions on public meetings and associations was removed in after February, and Soviets like Petrograd Soviet were set up everywhere. There no common system of election was followed. So no common election system was followed, but everywhere these types of Soviets like Petrograd Soviets were associations like Petrograd Soviets were formed in different parts of the country. Now, in April 1917, the Bolshevik leader Vladimir. Now, Bolshevik. We have already read about the Bolshevik. Yes or no? We have read about the Bolshevik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
yes, Bolshevik. Now, this is the Russian word Bolshevik. Bolshevik means in majority. Bolshevik means in majority. Clear? So Bolshevik and Menshevik is also there. And other people, group of people were called as
Menshevik.
Mensheviks. And Mensheviks means they were in the less number, minority group. Clear? So this was the main difference between Bolshevik and Mensheviks. That Bolsheviks leader was Vladimir, and they were in majority, and Mensheviks they were in minority. Clear? Wait a second. Okay. Now, in April 1917, the Bolshevik leader Vladimir Lenin, as you have already, this name of the leader Vladimir Lenin is not new to you. So, this Bolshevik leader Vladimir Lenin returned to Russia from exile. Means after long years, Vladimir Lenin again returned to Russia. वो रशिया छोड़कर उस वक्त चले गए थे व्हेन बोल्शेविक एंड मेंशेविक्स वी हैव रेड अर्लियर, उस वक्त वो व्लादिमीर लेनिन वहां से छोड़ के चले गए थे. नाउ ही इज रिटर्निंग बैक. नाउ बोल्शेविक्स वर द मेजॉरिटी ग्रुप. दिस वाज लेड बाय Vladimir Lenin, and that thought that the repressive society like Tsarist Russia, the party should be disciplined. Now, what was the viewpoint of Vladimir Lenin? That the party should be well organized and disciplined, and it should control the number of quality of its members also. So this we have read earlier only, and the Mensheviks on the other hand, they were the minority group, and they thought that the party should be open to all. Vladimir जो थे वो limited थे कि majority group कुछ पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप ही से या मीन्स वर्कर्स या पेजेंट्स ही इसमें इंटरफेयर करेंगे, बट मेंशेविक्स वाज for the all, thought for the party should be open for all, and they believe that revolution wanted to bring changes through democratic means. So he and the Bolshevik, who we are talking about Vladimir and the Bolshevik had opposed the war since 1914. 1914 से ही Bolsheviks और ये व्लादिमीर लेनिन वॉर के अगेंस्ट में थे. नाउ ही फेल्ट इट वाज द टाइम फॉर सोवियट्स टू टेक ओवर द पावर. अब उनका क्या कहना था, उनका ये मानना था कि अब पावर किसके हाथ में दे देना चाहिए, पावर किसके हाथ में देना चाहिए अब, सोवियट्स के हाथ में. नाउ सोवियट्स वर मेड फ्रॉम होम, सोवियत कैसे बने थे, पेट्रोग्राड सोवियत बनी थी. with who was the leader, Soviet leaders and Duma leaders. They formed the what provisional government, and now अब व्लादिमीर जो थे बोल्शेविक्स और व्लादिमीर थे जो उन्होंने समझा कि अब सोवियत के हाथ में पावर दे देनी चाहिए, प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट को न देकर के अब सोवियत के हाथ में. ही डिक्लेयर्ड दैट द वॉर बी ब्रॉट टू क्लोज. नाउ ही आल्सो वांटेड दैट now the war to be ended, land be transferred to the peasants. Now उनका ये भी मानना था कि now the land should be given back to the peasants and banks to be nationalized. So these three main demands were there of Bolsheviks, or we can say Vladimir Lenin. And these three demands were Lenin April thesis. These three demands were called as Lenin April thesis. Underline this. This is very much important about April thesis. Clear? So, what were the three demands? Mostly the question is asked, what were the three demands of Lenin in April thesis? So, these were the three demands. First was war to be closed. Second, land to be transferred to the peasants. Third, bank to be nationalized. Clear? And this is called as Lenin's April thesis. He also argued that the Bolshevik party rename itself Communist Party. Now he also argued that now Bolshevik party should be renamed. दूसरा नाम रख लिया जाना चाहिए अब. इसका किस नाम से पुकारा जाना चाहिए अब इसको? कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के नाम से. Because now development for the community they are thinking of. So to indicate its new radical aims. Which were the radical aims? Aims to give the peasants their own lands, banks to be nationalized, and the war to be closed. So the Bolshevik party renamed itself the Communist Party to indicate its new radical aims. Most other in the Bolshevik party were initially surprised by the April thesis. Now most of the people were surprised by these three main aims of the Bolsheviks, which were given in April thesis. Most they thought that the time was not yet ripe for the socialist revolution. अब इन्होंने क्या समझा कि अभी भी सही समय नहीं है कि रेवोल्यूशन के लिए प्रॉपर तौर पे जो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रेवोल्यूशन सोशलिस्ट रेवोल्यूशन होना चाहिए, ये अभी सही समय नहीं है. Because now also all the people are not organized and disciplined, and the provisional government needed to be supported, और provisional government को support की जरूरत है. Clear? But the developments of the subsequent months changed their attitude. But अब धीरे धीरे जो भी डेवलपमेंट्स हो रहे थे कंट्री में, उससे अब क्या इनका व्यू पॉइंट चेंज हो गया. थ्रू द समर द वर्कर्स मूवमेंट स्प्रेड. अब समर के आते आते वर्कर्स मूवमेंट बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ने लगा. इन इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज फैक्ट्री कमिटीज वर फॉर्म. नाउ no foundation, no restriction was there on the unions and all. Now in industrial areas, factory committees were formed, which began questioning the way industrialists ran their factories. अब वो किस तरह की factories run कर रहे हैं industries. Now the workers were questioning these industrialists. Trade unions grew in number. Now trade unions were formed. Soldiers committees were formed in the army. Army में soldiers committee form हो गई. In June, 500 about 500 Soviets sent representatives to all Russian Congress of Soviets. Now जून में, अब फरवरी से कब आ गए हम, जून में 500 सोवियट्स जो थे उन्होंने अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव सेंड करे. कहां पर, ऑल रशियन कांग्रेस ऑफ सोवियट्स में. एज द प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट सॉ इट्स पावर रिड्यूस and Bolshevik grew influence, it decided to take stern measures against the spreading discontent. Now what happened? Now provisional government which was made by Duma leaders and Soviet leaders, it saw that the power is reducing day by day. Provisional government का इतना importance नहीं हो रहा है अब इतना. Now it started taking the stern decision. Stern decision means severe action. Clear? Now it wanted to take a severe action or immediate measures it want to take for this for the spreading of this discontent. एक तरीके से discontentment increase हो गया था, गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ शुरू हो गए थे, तो यूनियंस फॉर्म होने लग गई थी, सोल्जर्स की कमिटीज फॉर्म होने लग गई थी. सो टू स्टॉप ऑल दिस, नाउ प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट wanted to take the immediate measures severe in the severe manner. Now it resisted attempts by workers to run factories and began arresting leaders. अब उन्होंने workers को जो कि it resisted attempts by workers to run factories. अब जो workers factories चलाने मांग रहे थे, अपने हाथ में सब कुछ लेना मांग रहे थे, now they began to be arrested. The leaders, उनका leaders को arrest कर लिया गया. Popular demonstrators tagged by the Bolsheviks in July 1917 were sternly repressed. Now the demonstrators were also, which was tagged by the Bolsheviks. Bolsheviks के में जो फेवर कर रहे थे उनको भी रिप्रेस कर दिया गया, because now Bolshevik party was gaining more power. Now many Bolshevik leaders had to go into hiding or flee. और जब भी प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट ने सीरियस मेजर सीवियर मैनर में लेना शुरू कर दिया, तो Bolshevik leaders ने क्या करा, it had to go into the hiding or flee. Flee means भाग गए, वो याद उन्होंने वहां से छोड़ के चले गए. क्लियर? Meanwhile, in the countryside, peasants and the socialist revolutionary leaders pressed for the redistribution of land. Now here, this was the condition in the city, and now outside city, that is in the countryside, peasants, farmers and their socialist revolutionary leaders, they pressurized the people, the nobility, for the redistribution of the land. Now land committees were formed to handle this. Now here in the cities, trade unions and soldiers committees were formed. In countryside also, land committees were formed to handle the redistribution of the land. Encouraged by the socialist revolutionaries, peasants seized land between July and September 1917. अब क्या करा, एनकरेजमेंट मिल गया पेजेंट्स को, फार्मर्स को, सोशलिस्ट रेवोल्यूशनरी से. जो सोशलिस्ट, जो पीपल रेवोल्यूशन लाना मांग रहे थे, चेंज लाना मांग रहे थे सोसाइटी में, उनका सपोर्ट से पेजेंट्स ने क्या करा, सीज कर लिया, अपने कंट्रोल में कर ली बहुत सारी लैंड नोबल से. कहां पर, तब जुलाई to September 1917. So this was after the February what all things happened, that now provisional government was having no more, becoming no more powerful, and seeing the Bolshevik power increasing day by day, it took the stern measures and start arresting the leaders, and now the Bolshevik leaders started hiding from these provisional government people, and they flee. They means they flee, वो वहां से भाग गए. And ये सब not only was done in the cities but in the countryside also. Communities were formed of the peasants with the help of socialist revolutionaries. They started seizing their land. वो अपनी लैंड वापस से छीन लेने लग गए नोबल से. I hope till here it is clear. Now, yes, see, the July days, the pro-Bolshevik demonstrators on 17th July 1917 being fired upon by the army. Bolshevik leaders का demonstration जो थे Bolsheviks जो provisional government के against में खड़े हुए थे उनके ऊपर ये आर्मी ने फायर किया था. Now the revolution of October, now coming of October. अब अक्टूबर में revolution बढ़ते बढ़ते revolution अक्टूबर तक आ गया था. Now, have you understood about April thesis and Lenin and all? What were the three demands of April thesis? Three main demands. Can anybody tell me the three main demands of April thesis? Given by Vladimir Lenin.
War be brought to close.
Very good.
Land be transferred to the peasants.
Very good.
And Soviets to take
be nationalist.
power.
And
Banks be nationalists.
banks be nationalized. Yes, very good. So these were the three main demands by Vladimir Lenin given in April thesis, and it is these three demands are only called as April thesis. इन तीनों demands को ही April thesis के नाम से जाना जाता है. Now coming to the revolution of October 1917. As the conflict between the provisional government and the Bolsheviks grew, अब Bolsheviks और provisional government के बीच में क्या हो गई थी? Conflicts बहुत शुरू हो गई थी. आपस में छोटे छोटे झगड़े मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स बहुत क्रिएट होने लग गई थी. Lenin feared the provisional government would set up a dictatorship. अब लेनिन को डर लगने लगा. क्या डर लग रहा था कि provisional government would set up a dictatorship. Provisional government एक dictatorship means a despotic rule or authority. means वो अपना ही रूल्स रेगुलेशन चलाएगी, अपने ही तो अकॉर्डिंग वो गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म करेगी. तो लेनिन वाज फियर अबाउट द प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट वुड सेट अप अ डिक्टेटरशिप. दैट मींस कोई डेस्पोटिज्म शुरू कर देंगे वो. इन सितंबर ही बिगेन डिस्कशन फॉर एन अपराइजिंग अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट. और सितंबर में लेनिन ने किसके अगेंस्ट में अपराइजिंग शुरू कर दी? अगेंस्ट खिलाफ लड़ाई शुरू कर दी प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ. नाउ बोल्शेविक सपोर्टर्स in the army, Soviets and factories were brought together. Now for this uprising, इस revolution के लिए Bolshevik supporters in the army and Soviets and the factories were brought together. सबको साथ में ले लिया लेनिन ने. किसके against? Provisional government के against खड़ा करने के लिए. Now on 16th October 1917, Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviet and the Bolshevik Party to agree to a socialist seizure of power. Now, here on 16th of October 1917, what Lenin did? Lenin persuaded means forced the Petrograd Soviet and the Bolshevik Party to agree to the socialist seizure of power. Socialist seizure of the power means Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviet and the Bolshevik Party to agree to a socialist seizure of the power. Now here socialist seizure of the power. Yes, beta, Jyotsna.
Control of power.
Yes, means legally. Now Lenin and Bolshevik had legally seized the power, had controlled the power or taken the power. Clear? So उन्होंने लेनिन ने फोर्स कर दिया पेट्रोग्राड सोवियत को कि वो एक तरीके से सोशलिस्ट सीजर ऑफ पावर मींस लेनिन और बोल्शेविक को लीगली पावर दे दे. A military revolutionary committee was appointed by the Soviet under Leon Trotsky. Now, under Leon Trotsky, the Military Revolutionary Committee was appointed by whom? By the Soviet. And uh, to organize the Caesar. To organize the Caesar means to transfer the power. Now the power was transferred to whom? From Petrograd Soviet to, sorry, from provisional government to, hello, to Lenin and Bolsheviks बेटा, हेलो, मैं वापस से पढ़ती हूँ, देखिए आप. On 16th October 1917, 16th October 1917 में लेनिन ने फोर्स किया पेट्रोग्राड सोवियत और बोल्शेविक पार्टी को कि एक तरीके से वो एग्री हो जाएं. किसके लिए एग्री हो जाएं? फॉर द लीगली सबमिशन ऑफ द पावर. लीगली पावर अपने हाथ में ले लें लेनिन और बोल्शेविक. किसके लीगली कौन सा पावर हाथ में ले ले? प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट जो इस वक्त रन कर रही थी, वो पावर अब लेनिन लीगली अपने पास रखना चाहते थे बोल्शेविक्स और एग्रीमेंट के साथ, बोल्शेविक्स और सोशलिस्ट के साथ. मिलिट्री रेवोल्यूशनरी कमेटी वाज अपॉइंटेड और इसके लिए एक मिलिट्री रेवोल्यूशनरी कमेटी अपॉइंट करी गई बाय द सोवियत और जिसके लीडर कौन थे? लियोन ट्रॉट्स्की. And he was asked to organize this transfer of power. So who was asked to transfer the power, to organize the transfer of power? Leon Trotsky.
Leon Trotsky.
And the power was transferred from whom to whom? From provisional government to Lenin.
Bolshevik Party.
Bolshevik party, in another way we can say Lenin. The date of the event was kept secret. और कब ये काम हुआ? The date was kept as secret. Now the uprising of 24th October, sensing trouble, Prime Minister Kerensky and left the city to summon troops. Now the uprising began on 24th October. ये धीरे धीरे uprising against the provisional government कब शुरू हुई? 24th अक्टूबर को. एंड सेंसिंग ट्रबल. सेंसिंग ट्रबल मीन्स जब पता लग गया, धीरे से पता चल गया कि कुछ ना कुछ सिटी में अपराइजिंग हो रही है, गड़बड़ हो रही है अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट. सो प्राइम मिनिस्टर करेंस्की हैड लेफ्ट द सिटी टू समन ट्रूप्स. सो प्राइम मिनिस्टर करेंस्की ने क्या करा? प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट को, वे जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे उन्होंने सिटी को छोड़ दिया. किसके लिए छोड़ दिया सिटी को? To call the troops, to call or to gather the troops. At dawn, military men loyal to government seized the building of two Bolshevik newspapers. Now at dawn, dawn के समय, dawn means the daybreak, first light of the day, जो सुबह पहली किरण सुबह की. So at dawn, military men loyal to government, जो गवर्नमेंट के लॉयल में थे, बहुत वफादार थे गवर्नमेंट से, दे सीज द बिल्डिंग्स ऑफ टू बोल्शेविक न्यूज़पेपर्स. बोल्शेविक न्यूज़पेपर्स जहां से रन करते थे, वो वाली टू बिल्डिंग्स गवर्नमेंट के जो लॉयल मिलिट्री मैन थे उन्होंने अपने कब्जे में ले ली, अपने कंट्रोल में ले ली. नाउ प्रो गवर्नमेंट ट्रूप्स were sent to take over telephone and telegraph office and protect the Winter Palace. A Winter Palace. Well, Winter Palace, I already informed you that it was a royal palace of the Tsar. So now pro-government troops, पहले ही government troops जो troops थी उनको कहाँ पर भेज दिया गया था? To take over the telephone and telegraph office and protect the Winter Palace. Now in the swift response, बहुत ही swift means quick response, we can say, a military revolutionary committee ordered its supporters to seize government offices and arrest the ministers. Now the military revolutionary committee now ordered its supporters to seize means to have the control over the government offices and to arrest all the ministers. Now late in the day, the ship Aurora shelled the Winter Palace. Now the ship Aurora shelled means here protect the Winter Palace. Now late in the day the ship Aurora, जो ship थी Aurora, वो उन्होंने एक तरीके से प्रोटेक्शन किसको दिया? विंटर पैलेस को, राजा के प्लेस को उन्होंने पैलेस को प्रोटेक्शन दिया, कवर कर दिया. Vessels means whatever I'm giving the meaning, please write it down. Vessels means your ships. Shield means your protection. विंटर पैलेस को प्रोटेक्शन दिया गया. एंड अदर शिप्स सेल डाउन टू नेवा. नेवा में सेल डाउन किया एंड टुक ओवर वेरियस मिलिट्री पॉइंट्स अलग अलग जाकर के वहां पर मिलिट्री पॉइंट्स में खड़े हो गए टू फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन. देन by nightfall the city was under committee's control. नाइट रात के समय तक क्या हुआ? सिटी was under whose control? Committee's control. And the ministers had surrendered. All the ministers had surrendered. At the meeting of all Russian Congress of Soviet in Petrograd, the majority approved the Bolshevik action. Now whatever the action the Bolsheviks had taken, all the Russian Congress of Soviet in Petrograd had approved that action. Uprising took place in other cities also, and there was heavy fighting, especially in Moscow. But by December, the Bolsheviks controlled the Moscow-Petrograd area. But Bolshevik ने कंट्रोल कर लिया मॉस्को पेट्रोग्राड एरिया. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
आप एक बार अपने आप से पढ़ के देखना, नहीं समझ में आए then you can ask me again, okay? So the conflict here in this October Revolution, the conflict between Bolsheviks and the provisional government is taking place, where military revolutionary committee is also ordered to grab the government offices and arrest the ministers and all. Now what changed after the October? Now this type of uprising was there. Now what was the changes done after the October? The Bolsheviks were totally opposed to private property. Underline this. The Bolsheviks were totally opposed to the private property. Most industries and banks were nationalized. Now this was the thing done, that most banks were nationalized in November 1970. Now because Bolsheviks were under the power, that is why they were totally opposed to private property. Banks were nationalized as according to the given to the April thesis. This meant that the government took over ownership and management. Government had already took the ownership and management. Land was declared social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. Peasants को allow कर दिया गया कि वो अपनी land noble से seize कर लें, grab कर लें, रख अपने control में ले लें वापस. In cities, Bolshevik enforced the partition of large houses according to the family requirement. अब cities में Bolsheviks ने क्या करा? Partition कर दिया houses का, जो बड़े बड़े houses थे, it was partition according to the family requirement. जितनी family उतना ही उनको पार्ट एरिया का दिया गया रहने के लिए. They banned the use of old titles of aristocracy. Now जो पुराने ओल्ड टाइटल्स दिए गए थे राजा के द्वारा, जो उनको टाइटल्स मिले थे नोबल्स के या कोई और मिलिट्री कमांडर्स का या चीफ्स का, या जो भी पुराने टाइटल्स दिए गए थे, वो सब टाइटल्स एक तरीके से बैन लगा दिया गया उनके ऊपर बाय Bolsheviks. Now to assert the change, new uniforms were designed for the army and officials. और कुछ और तरीका चेंज लाने के लिए Bolsheviks ने new uniforms for the army and official was designed. Following a clothing competition organized in 1918 में clothing competition हुआ गया, when the Soviet that had Budenovsk was chosen, और यहाँ पर Soviet had Budenovsk was chosen. So this is also one more question can ask. Name the name of the Soviet head. Name of the Soviet head is, what is the name of the Soviet head given here? Budenovka. Budenovka. Split the word and then you can pronounce it. B-U-D, Budenovka. Clear? This was the Soviet head. Now the Bolsheviks party was renamed the Russian Communist Party. Now as they wanted to rename the Bolshevik party, now here after the Bolshevik party came into power, it was renamed as Russian Communist Party. अब क्या प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट की जगह किसने ले ली थी? वो Bolshevik party ने. Now as soon as Bolshevik party was in the power, it was renamed as Russian Communist Party. Underline this as one mark question. Which party was renamed as Russian Communist Party? So Bolshevik Party. In November 1917, the Bolsheviks conducted an election to the Constituent Assembly. Now all this work was done when Bolsheviks were in the power in Russia. So Bolsheviks conducted the elections to the Constituent Assembly, but they failed to gain majority support. But जब elections हुआ, Bolsheviks को support नहीं मिला, majority support नहीं मिला. In January 1918, the assembly rejected Bolshevik measures and Lenin dismissed the assembly. अब जनवरी 1918 में जो असेंबली फॉर्म हुई थी, नेशनल ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली फॉर्म हुई थी, इन्होंने जो बोल्शेविक के जो मेजर्स थे वो पूरी तरीके से रिजेक्ट कर दिए और इसीलिए लेनिन ने क्या करा, असेंबली को ही डिसमिस कर दिया. कौन सी असेंबली को डिसमिस कर दिया? कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली को. He thought the all Russian Congress of Soviet was more democratic than the assembly elected by uncertain condition. अब लेनिन ने क्या बोला कि all Russian Congress Soviet was more democratic party than this constituent any other party. In March 1918, despite opposition by the political allies, the Bolsheviks made peace with Germany at Brest-Litovsk. Now, in 1980, despite opposition by the political allies ने political जो allies थे जो एक साथ लड़ रही थी political parties, उन्होंने बहुत oppose किया. But then also Bolsheviks ने क्या करा, जर्मनी के साथ पीसफुल ट्रीटी कर दी और कब कहां पर जगह का नाम दिया हुआ है, ब्रेस्ट लिटोव्स्क. In the year that followed, the Bolshevik became the only party to participate in the elections to all Russian Congress of the Soviets. अब Bolshevik ही सिर्फ एक अकेली पार्टी बन गई जो कि इलेक्शन में खड़ी हुई. कौन से इलेक्शन में? All Russian Congress of Soviet, and which became the parliament of the country, and this also became the parliament of the country. So Russia became one party state. Now Russia became one party state now because one party, which was all Russian Congress of Soviet party, was only there, clear, and which was the Bolshevik party. Trade unions were kept under the party control. Trade unions को पार्टी के कंट्रोल में रखा गया and were kept under the secret police called Cheka. First and later OCPU or NKVD punished those who criticized the Bolsheviks. So secret police were appointed and they were asked to punish those who criticized the Bolsheviks. Bolshevik के अगेंस्ट में जो भी बातें कर रहे थे उनको पनिश करने के लिए इन्होंने Bolsheviks ने एक सीक्रेट पुलिस ऑर्गेनाइज कर दी. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Many young writers and artists rallied to the party because it stood for socialism. सोशलिज्म के लिए खड़ी हो रही थी तो इसलिए many writers and artists ने ये पार्टी का सपोर्ट किया. And after October 1917, this led to the experiments in the art and architecture, but many became disillusioned because of the censorship of party encouraged. पार्टी ने बहुत सारा सेंसरशिप लगा दिया था, कंट्रोल लगा दिया था, and that is why many of the things which changes which were to be brought by the Bolsheviks, they were all not brought because of the censorship by the party. Clear? Hello. I hope clear it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next class we will continue with the Civil War. Till then, read till here and try to understand. And if any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.